As a real estate agent, you know that knowledge is one of the keys to success. That's why the Xcellence family created Xcellence HelpDesk, a knowledge base and support platform for Xcellence Realty, Xcellence Mortgage, and Xcellence Title questions. Xcellence Realty agents can access resources like contract training, realtor training, getting started with Xcellence Realty, and much more. These videos provide the knowledge and skills needed to navigate Xcellence Realty's tools and tech and the real estate industry in general. Our Mortgage Monday videos from Xcellence Mortgage cover a wide variety of topics surrounding mortgage news, keeping our agents informed about the latest industry trends and our loan programs. Title Tuesdays from Xcellence Title offer in-depth discussions on a variety of topics related to house titles and property ownership. These videos are available for our agents to view as well. The Xcellence HelpDesk is the go-to place for all Xcellence Realty agents seeking help with our tools and services. In addition to a variety of resources and training videos, our agents also have access to support options such as phone support, email support, or Zoom meetings to reach the broker support department, accounting support, and tech support. Join us today and experience the level of care and support we provide to our agents.